Fit and Fearless over 50. Today I'm going to play. I'm very new with bands. I've never really used them much. So I've got some. I've got these kind, different weights, and I've got those. So I've seen a couple of exercises. I want to give them a try. This is going to be more lower body. So first, let's put this guy on. We're going to do leg extensions. All right. So sit up. I don't like the height of my chair, so now I'm just going to kick the leg out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I can feel this. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's go ahead and try the other side. That was easy enough to change. 1, 2, 3. I can really feel this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, if you know me, when I'm doing my playing around, not real video or not real workouts, I'm doing workouts, but they're whatever you want to call it. Rest time. If you're doing weights, normally you should rest between 90 seconds to 3 minutes between exercises, between reps. When I'm doing this, I just kind of goof off. If I'm too long, speed it up. If I'm too short, pause it. All right, let's go ahead and I'm going to do it like I'm doing it at the gym, which is 3 sets of each before I go on to the next exercise. All right, so let's go down, leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's do the other leg. That is so easy to change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a way to do the leg curls. I haven't tried that yet, and I don't know if I want to try that on video because it might look too funny. But so far, like I said, I am feeling it a little bit. Maybe I should try the next band up. This is a medium. Let's try heavy. All right. Let's keep the medium over here. Let's put it on. Let's go underneath. All right. Oh, that's tough. I don't know if I do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you're wanting to know where to get the bands, 90% of everything I have you can find on my website. And I don't buy expensive stuff. I buy good quality, but not expensive. 3, 4, this is tough. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Phew, that one was tough. All right, I don't know if I need these. I might need to go to the mediums. The next one we're going to do, oh God, sue me. I don't remember if it's adductors or abductors. Abductors. All right, so put that band around your knees, still sitting down, and just step out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huh, I actually feel that. It's kind of cool. Too bad I can't do it the other way around. I don't think, they do come in even tighter than this, but I think this is a good one here. Like I said, I'm feeling it, which I'm surprised with just a little piece of rubber. Huh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I may end up liking that. I can really feel it. Should I try the extra heavy? No, let me do 12 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I said I was going to do 12. 11, sorry, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, that's up to the little workout there. I'm kind of impressed. All right, let's put these up. I'm going to move the bench. The next one I saw was a, what was it? It was a leg press with the bands. And I'm sorry, leg press is a great exercise. All right, hopefully y'all can see everything. I'm getting, this band is 45 to 105. I got the next one down right beside me. All right, the way they said to do this, see if I can do it. Lay down, put it on your feet, try to get it level. Okay? Keep your elbows by your side. Make sure you got a good grip. Don't lift your elbows, but push your feet straight out. 1, 2, 3. This is tough, but I think I'm going to need some heavier bands after a while. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9, 10, 11, 12. Huh. That's kind of cool. I was kind of worried on how to get, other than just doing squats and lunges and stuff like that, how to keep my legs worked out at home. I'm trying to slowly move everything from the gym to home. There's pros and cons to both. A great part of me likes the gym because if I go, I'm going to work out. Sometimes I feel like when I'm at home, I might get lazy and not do it. But the good news is doing this on the side, doing these videos and online coaching and the app I'm creating, it's part of my job too, so. All right, let's try it again. And these are also on my website. I do know these are there. All right, let's get it lined up. Get a good hold. Elbows down on the floor and push. Ooh, maybe I should go straight up. Oh, that's different. 2, 3. Oh, I feel that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we're not going to do it right now, but in case you want to know, this is how you do a row. So it's basically the same thing. Just you're working the lower instead of the upper. Oh, it's good for stretch too. Ooh. Guess that's a playing video. Got some squats and RDLs I think I know they were talking about too. Alright, let's do another set. Should I go straight up or out? I think out gives me a bigger pull. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, cool. You can use this kind. Hope you sit up too. Alright, that wasn't bad, but I do think I need something stronger than a 105 band for that. But I still go to the gym, especially on leg day. Alright, so the next one, this one I practice with. I'm not quite strong enough to do that one. Didn't practice too hard with. Kind of like a squat. Put it down. I'll do it at an angle, like that. Put your feet kind of at the ends, leave a little bit hanging out. Okay? All right, and you squat down and you grab it and you pull up. And then you squat down. Pull up and don't fall. Don't do that. Well, I'm not used to just having something under my feet. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Not sure how I like that one. Nice thing about a squat is you never have to add weight to it because you've got your own body. But I'm going to try it. I think there's one more I want to try after this. Maybe 2. I'm sorry. Squats for me is a cardio. I ain't wearing baggy clothes today. Okay. Alright. So it's lit. Let's get it down flat. I also, since I fell, I want to check my form. And, well, y'all can see it. I got a mirror right there. Alright, so foot down. Squat down. Pick it up. Alright. I actually think you need to wear shoes with this. That's what's happening, is I'm pulling it out from under my feet. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if y'all can't go that far down in a squat, don't stress on it. I just, in the last 2-3 weeks, have just been able to go right at 90, just past 90, deeper. Just did. And my upper legs are, you can't see it obviously in this, are fairly toned. If you look at it from the side, you can see it. Not from the front, because I've got, what, 100 pounds of excess skin. So don't let people tell you, if you don't go 90% or greater, or less, however that works, I think it's less actually, that you're not doing anything. Don't believe them. Somebody told me it's a useless exercise if you can't do it. I'm a firm believer. If you're moving and you're using your muscles, you're doing a good exercise. It is important to be careful too and not try to hurt yourself, but all right. I do recommend, like I said, if you do this, wear shoes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Phew. 3 sets. All right. What's the next one? Let me catch my breath. Thanks y'all for joining along with me. All right. I'm going to give it a try. All right, so it's basically the same thing, but your feet are together. You grab the ends and you stand up. And this is a squat, not an RDL. 2, 3, see how my form is. 4, see, and I can't go to a 90 at this one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I don't like that one. All right, I need to do one more. Let's see. Let's try an RDL. See if I can figure this out. I haven't seen how to do this one. RDL, remember, it's just hips. You don't do your knees. A slight bend. So grab closer to here. Now, there we go. 2. Keep your back straight. 3, 4. Hinge those hips. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I didn't like that one either. Didn't feel right. All right, that's all I know of right now. Hopefully it did you some good. And just play with it. Comment me back. Let me know if you've come up with any new band lower body exercises. Or if you think what I was doing was wrong. Thanks. Have a great day.